I'm talking about the song Whip My Hair. If you did not understand that, Whip My Hair Back and Forth by Willow Smith. Okay, she goes, I whip my hair back and forth. She does not whip it back and forth. She whips it to the side, girl. She whips it to the side. She talks about haters. What haters could she possibly have? She's 11. 11! 11? What now, motherfucker? Chill, motherfucker. Anyways, she's 11 years old. What haters could she have? Unless it's like a 5-year-old kid that wants to be like her, you know? But I doubt that. She's all creepy, next black Lady Gaga. So hair. Did you guys see her video? Like the nails and everything? Hell no. I was like, oh, this chick is the next Lady Gaga. So hair to God. She would make a good couple with Justin Bieber if you ask me. Pinche pendejo, no me andas mirando, pinche puto. Te chingo, maldito. Me lo chingo. I'm so Mexican for you that you didn't know. But anyways, they looked at us too, motherfucker. Don't look at us. Walking through the streets of McNair. Here's Clarissa at the Clarissa Show. Thank you. Bye. Cut it.